Hey guys, it's Alex here from alextubi.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in learning about social media marketing, entrepreneurship, and online business, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also check out my free Instagram masterclass. It's called 10 Instagram Secrets Every Business Owner Must Know, and I know you're going to love it. The link is above and in the description box below. In today's video, I want to discuss the link in your bio. Yes, that one single link that Instagram graciously allows us to use on our profiles. The one link that you have to promote what it is you have to offer, and the one link that so many Instagram users don't take full advantage of. There's many ways to utilize this link, and today I want to share those options with you and discuss their pros and cons. So first of all, the most popular thing to do with the link in your bio is to use a tool that allows you to link to multiple different pages. That makes your one single link multiply into many, which can obviously be very beneficial if you have numerous places you'd like to send your audience. This is a smart way to make better use of your singular link. However, it can have its negatives if not used correctly. So again, that's what I want to go over today: strategic link usage and which tools you may want to consider using. So let's start with the strategy. Link strategy number 1. If you're promoting something urgent and timely like a product launch or a sale, use a singular direct link. Every click someone has to take to get to their final destination is an opportunity for them to drop off. So take away all unnecessary steps by using one link when the time is of essence and you don't want them going anywhere else. Other times, using a link in bio tool that allows you to link to multiple destinations makes the most sense. However, this doesn't mean you should link to absolutely everything. Link strategy number 2. When using a link in bio tool, limit the amount of links that you share. Analysis paralysis is a thing and it can really affect your click-through rate, so you'll want to limit your total amount of links used. I suggest using no more than can fit on your mobile screen without having to scroll. Generally, this is around 5 or 6. Link strategy number 3. All the links you share should direct to something important. Sharing a link that goes to your homepage is less effective and important than sending them directly to your latest blog post, your services page, or an opt-in form. Ideally, you're sending them directly where you want them. Want some extra views on a new video? Send them there. Trying to build your list? Send them to your opt-in page. Anything that doesn't make the cut doesn't need to be in your link. Link strategy number 4. Always remind your audience to click the link in your bio. Now, this tip isn't specific to what you put in your bio, but rather getting traffic to it. If you never tell your audience to visit your link, they won't be able to make it to all the destinations you've lined up for them. In every post, don't forget to use a call to action that encourages visits to that link. Okay, so now that we have the strategy out of the way, let's talk about your link in bio options. If you did a quick Google search, you'll quickly notice there are hundreds of services to choose from. So to make things easier, I've narrowed it down to 3 options I think provide the best value and are worthy of using. Those 3 are Linktree, my guess is you've heard of them before, Taplink, this is what I'm currently using on my own Instagram account, and Later's Linkin.bio. Linktree is probably the most popular service in this space, and I used it for a while myself. It offers a free plan, unlimited links, and some basic analytics. This is great for any newbie who wants a quick and easy way to multiply the amount of links in their bio. However, I find that Linktree is very generic. Since it's so popular and there's limited customization on the free plan, it can end up looking like everyone else's link in bio. So it's super important for your feed and your offerings to stand out on Instagram, and your link should be no different. Next is Taplink, and it's actually my preferred choice. They have a free plan that offers more than most, including text blocks, unlimited links, design customizations, and FAQ sections. But the magic is in their paid plan that starts at just $2 a month. With the paid plan, you get access to a lot of options I have never seen on a link in bio service before, such as embedded videos, maps, countdown timers, custom HTML, opt-in forms, and even payment processing. With these features, you can really take full advantage of the link in your bio by turning it into a lead generator or a checkout page. Remember how I mentioned earlier that asking your audience to take more than one step increases the likelihood of them dropping off? Well, with Taplink, you can avoid that completely by having everything they need directly on the first tap of your link. I guess that's why they probably called it that. This video is not sponsored by Taplink, but I really do like them and have been enjoying their service, so I asked their creator if they could supply a promo code for you guys to give it a spin, and they said yes. So by using the code ALEX2B at checkout, you'll get a free 7-day trial of their paid plan, so you can try out all of the amazing features for yourself. Just click the link in the description box below to get started. Then finally, I want to talk about Later's Linkin.bio. This service is a bit different as it doesn't use text links or buttons, but rather allows you to add a link to each image you've uploaded to your feed. This is how we wish our feeds actually worked. Being able to add a link to every post would be a real dream, but alas, it is not possible. But Later has come up with the next best thing. Now, my only complaint here is that it's not obvious what the user is getting when they click. For example, if you're scrolling through my feed, read the caption on one of my posts that encourages you to click the link in my bio to say, take my free Instagram masterclass, then you go to the link in my bio and you're presented with a grid of images. Now, you, one, might be confused and think, wait, what did I just click on? And two, you might not remember which image it was that included that call to action. I see this as a pretty much guaranteed way for visitors to get lost on the way to the value on your website. However, having said that, I do think that this type of service is amazing for fashion bloggers or potentially anyone in e-commerce. Visually seeing the product that they want to learn more about and clicking through to it to the appropriate page will work a lot better than someone like me using this image-focused service. So there you have it, Instagram link strategy and my recommended link in bio services. So remember, if you'd like to try out Taplink, just use the code ALEX2B at checkout for a free 7-day trial. Also, don't forget to check out my free Instagram masterclass and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day, guys. I will see you next time.